The time has come. This is the year to turn the dreams into reality. And with the power of AI, technology, digital marketing, and your successful online business, I truly believe that you can become one of the next AI millionaires in 2023. I'm here to share my valuable knowledge with you so you can evolve yourself and become a truly successful entrepreneur in 2023. And I want to rise a legacy of humble millionaires, the ones who will never forget from where they came from. I have a mission to rise a legacy of new and successful humble millionaires to rise and help people from all over the world. We're gonna rise together to accomplish greatness in the name of the dreams and love. We are here to make the world a better place, and we start online, making successful online business, rising yourself, turning you into a truly successful entrepreneur. This is the year to make your dreams a reality. I have been waiting a very long time. I have been dreaming all my life to be here and help you become a successful entrepreneur, and now is the time to make these dreams become reality. With the power of AI, successful digital marketing campaigns, rising your online business, and having a high faith in a higher power guiding us, I truly believe that we can accomplish things that we can even imagine beyond the dreams, and we can truly be successful. The ways that we have available, the opportunities on the online market are endless. With the AI evolution, the opportunities are rising like never before. I have seen entrepreneurs make thousands and millions of dollars online since the beginning of this year. This has been a completely incredible evolution, and I want to invite you to join the winner's side on the year of evolution, the year to make the dreams come true. It's important to know that it's not just about money, it's not just about profit, it's about make the evolution of the dreams, the evolution of the faith, and have a high faith that a higher power is guiding us to accomplish all these dreams and turn it into reality. I truly believe that with AI, successful digital marketing campaigns, and a successful online business, we can become much more than just a successful millionaire. We can become multi-millionaires, where we're gonna be able to rise together and help people from all over the world in the name of the dreams and love. I'm here to help you with my best. I will share my valuable knowledge and wisdom to make you one of the next millionaires in 2023. I made a promise to myself, and I have a mission to be here with you, doing my best until the end of this year so we can rise together. This is the year to rise a legacy of humble millionaires, the ones who will never forget from where they came from. We're gonna rise, stay humble, and we're gonna help people from all over the world becoming humble millionaires. The list of opportunities in 2023 are endless. Here are some ideas to help you rise your online business and become a successful entrepreneur with the AI evolution. First, you can rise your online business with AI automation, AI marketing automation. There is a lot of options available where AI work for you in your business and you go enjoy your life, work on other new projects. The goal is to truly make the human life better. This is for what AI is here. I truly believe that with the evolution of AI, the human life will evolve like never before. This is the time for the fusion of artificial intelligence and human intelligence. The time for the greatest evolution of humans so we can accomplish greatness in the world. This is the time to make the dreams come true. Let AI work for your business and let's live life with our family, the people that we love, and truly live the highest level life that we humans deserve. If you enjoyed the mission I have to help you become one of the next millionaires, one of the next multi-millionaires in 2023, I truly believe that you can do it. Don't forget to check out my other videos here on my channel so you can evolve your knowledge, you can rise your online business and become one of the next successful entrepreneurs in 2023. My promise that I made to myself is to help you with the best knowledge and wisdom that I will work hard and smart to help on your journey to become one of the next millionaires in 2023. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and stay tuned for my next sequence of videos to help you on your evolution. This is the Life Evolution Project. I'm Christopher Investor and I'm here to help you.